Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week ending April 3rd, the major indexes gained during the week but remained in negative territory as the conflict in the Middle East, rising energy prices, and inflation continued to weigh heavily on investors. Job openings in February declined slightly to 6.9 million, but were more than expected. The Consumer Confidence Index beat expectations and increased in March to 91.8 from a downwardly revised 91.0 in February. The Home Price Index increased slightly by 0.1% in January, 1.6% year over year. 6 of the 9 regions saw home prices increase, with the East South Central Division seeing the biggest monthly growth at 1.7%. The ADP employment report for March came in stronger than expected, posting 62,000 jobs, driven primarily by education and health services. Retail sales came in stronger than expected in February, up 0.6%, with motor vehicle, personal care, and clothing store sales leading the way. Manufacturing data came in stronger than expected in March and remained in expansion territory. The U.S. trade deficit was much lower than expected in February, up only $2.7 billion, compared to $54.7 billion in January. And finally, the March employment report was much stronger than expected, showing 178,000 new jobs created. The unemployment rate declined to 4.3 from 4.4% in February. Year to date, the Dow is down 3.24%. The S&P is also down 3.84%, and the Nasdaq is down 5.86%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.34%. Oil closed at $111.50 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,676.43 an ounce, with silver closing at $73.02 an ounce. For this week of April 6th, Tuesday we'll get durable goods orders and consumer credit data. Wednesday, the minutes of the Fed's March meeting will be reported. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, wholesale inventories, personal income, personal spending, the second revision of fourth quarter GDP, and the PCE price index, which reflects the changes in the prices of goods and services purchased by consumers. It is a key measure of inflation. And on Friday, the consumer price index will be reported. CPI measures the average change in the prices over time of a market basket of goods and services paid by consumers. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions or anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.